the Homefield Advantage, keeping you updated on all Vikings sport.
Strikes, spares, and high scores for the Vikings boys bowling team this year. Today, we will be talking to Marshal D from the boys bowling team. So Marshal, how is this year's bowling season going for you and the team?
It's going absolutely great so far. We're off to a 4-0 start. It's really good. We just beat Northern twice so far. I mean, Versity's team twice too. And Northern was one of our biggest competitors from last season. I know for sure Anchor Bay is going to be really tough too, so I think we'll be ready for them though.
Now, let's flash back to previous years. Marshal, how does the team compare this year to in years past?
This year we have 4 seniors on the team, and we only lost 1 last year. So our team chemistry is really good. But after this year, it's going to be definitely different, but I really like how the team looks.
The boys bowling team is undefeated this year so far. Marshal, what have you done this year that is different from other years to give you guys an edge in competition?
This year, our practices are much different than what we did last year. We have a lot of new types of drills and stuff like that we try, and our 10 pins are definitely much better because we work on them much more.
Thank you for coming and talking to us today, Marshal. We wish the boys bowling team good luck and hope they keep their winning streak alive. Thanks for watching. This is DJ from M6, your hometown station.